Happy New Year! So today is the 1st of January and I decided let me start my new year with decluttering. I'll give you some context. So since I used to live in my hostel and I only came here in March 2020, which is a long time, but because my majority of my stuff was in my hostel, I didn't really have a wardrobe to myself completely here at home. So when I returned, I cleared up some stuff from a common wardrobe, and I was using that wardrobe, which was also in my room. Now that it's been so long since I'm here, I really need some space for my own clothes, and I also had some old clothes here which I had not taken to my hostel, which I don't use anymore. So I thought, why not start my new year with organizing and decluttering, because I really like organizing and decluttering and like cleaning and all of that. So I decided to start clearing my wardrobe first. I'm also going to maybe sell some clothes to some thrift stores which are in very good condition, but maybe they don't fit me anymore, or it's not just my style anymore, something like that. So I'll take you through with me about how I declutter this day. Please don't judge my outfit today. I don't care about my outfit honestly today, because I'm in a whole cleaning mood. So let's get started. I'll just show you a before of how my wardrobe looks. So this is how messy my wardrobe looks. I just cleared the bottom drawer, but the stuff is like lying here, so you can see the mess. And I just tell you that these two, like the stuff in these two drawers, does not even belong to me. Here I have just like stuffed clothes and stuff, and here is all my stitching material. Here's my jacket, here are my bags, and here are my clothes. But some of them are like which I don't even use anymore, which were here, like which I had not taken to my hostel with me. Then this drawer has my makeup and stuff. Even this drawer has like random mask and everything, and my makeup and stuff. I'm going to go pile by pile. So now that I've cleared this cup, like this drawer, here is the stuff that came out of this drawer. So I'm just going to sort these and then continue same with every drawer. I'm not going to put them right back in the drawer, because what if something that belongs to this drawer is in some other drawer, right? So I'm just going to take out drawer by drawer, sort drawer by drawer, and then in the end, once I'm done discarding and sorting stuff, I'll then put everything back in my cupboard. Hi guys, so let me just update you with what all happened. So Soumya is here. She also decided to help me. So we came up with 7 piles. The extreme, towards the end of the bed, is like my pants. The one above that is my dresses. The one next to it, like this one, is my jackets. This is my jeans. This is my ethnic wear. These are my t-shirts and shirts, and these are my tops. So far we have cleared only 2 drawers and we have come up with 7 piles. Made a lot of piles, and it looks very messy right now, so it will be very hard to believe that we actually have organized this. But the moment we'll keep everything inside, you'll figure out that we have really decluttered and organized stuff. So firstly, I'm going to start with my pile of heavy ethnic and traditional wear, which I'm going to be putting in the bottommost pile because it has the most area, and this pile is the heaviest pile out of all the piles. So I think this will suit best to the bottommost pile. Plus I don't really reach for my bottommost pile that frequently, and that is the same that I don't use these clothes that frequently. So I think it best matches the bottommost pile. So I finally managed to clear all these compartments, and look at the mess, guys. So life update, I got free yesterday by 3:45 after I was done cleaning everything and putting back everything. I organized and set my entire wardrobe, and I feel so happy and satisfied that the first day of the year I spent in organizing and decluttering and all of that. So let's take a look at how my wardrobe finally turned out. Here I've just hung my sling bags and my fanny pack, my belt, and I don't know why do I have these many caps. They are not even my caps, but I just didn't know where else to put them, so I just like let them stay here. Then these are the two denim jackets. Actually, one is my mom's and one is my dad's, but they don't use it, so I use it now. And this has my hair dryer. Then this has my hair straightener. Inside these bags is like one hat, and rest all of them are like clutches and like small wallet kind of sling bags and clutches basically. Then comes the topmost shelf. These are the garments that I had already stitched and made for my assignments. Then these are the saris my friend Sakhi, her mom very kindly gave me for me to like use for my assignments or just practice stitching and everything on. So all these kind of fabrics I've kept over here. So even this has my dad's old shirts which I cut and make stuff out of. So that I've put here. Then coming to this, it has my products. Some of my products which you saw in the Nykaa beauty box, and some which are just random products which I had from before. These are my hairbands. Coming to this pile, this has my makeup. So this has my products, this has all my tools, and this has all my lipsticks and lip gloss, all the lip products basically. And this has all my wires and chargers and electronic stuff. Then this is pretty messy, random stuff over here. Coming to this pile, this has my shades like sunglasses collection, my eyeshadow palettes over here. Then these are all my accessories like jewelry basically, necklace, earrings and stuff, all the 3 boxes. This is a mask that Sakhi had gifted. This is my nail polish collection, all of these. So that's pretty much about how these drawers were organized. That is how finally my organized wardrobe looks. I feel so satisfied and proud of myself. Also, I would like to tell you that there were a few clothes that were in really great condition and they were really branded and everything, but they just didn't fit me anymore. So I have decided to sell them to a thrift store. So I will link the Instagram page of that thrift store in the description box below. I just thought that I should inform you that when you declutter, you can also sell your clothes to some thrift stores, or you can like donate them. Like the majority bulk of my clothes, I donated them, but a few of them I felt like they were worth selling. So you can also make this decision if you ever think of decluttering your wardrobe. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys found this video satisfying like I did. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Comment down and tell me how you found this video. Share it with people to give them some inspiration if they really have to declutter. Like it's high time that they should declutter. Send this video to them for some inspiration or motivation. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell notifications on so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on my Instagram and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!